Good evening and welcome to 200forextips.com. I'm here with the final analysis of 4th of July 2018. Okay guys, we have another okay day with signals, and I'm going to start today's discussion from Euro USD. As you can see, I have supplied the bearish trend in case of Euro USD today, and the entry was 116687 and the target price was 116148. However, the targeted price is not met, but we have a drop on the 4 hour within the 4 hour time frames on Euro USD, and it has went down right from the entry up to 116294. So those traders who have taken the benefit from these 3 to 4 hours, they must have got the very good profit on trading Euro USD. Okay, now let's talk about the pair that kept itself in a range. However, I have supplied the bearish signal in case of New Zealand USD. The entry was 067654, and guys, you can see that below the entry we have seen the market today and it has gone nowhere. However, my signal is bearish on New Zealand USD. If it responds during the US session, then you can see that the target price is 067254. It is in a weaker zone, so it can go further down during the next hours. Okay, now let's talk about the USD JPY. I'm going to switch my chart to USD JPY. Okay, I have supplied the bullish signal from 110382 and the target price is 110708. However, you can see we have seen the slight upward trend on USD JPY today. It has went up right from the entry, and those subscribers who have taken the benefit from this bullish rally, they must have got a very good number of profits. However, it's a bit slow, so guys, if it responds during the US session, then it can go up to 110708. I have a bullish expectation on USD JPY. Okay, now let's talk about another good trade that is taken on AUD JPY today, and AUD USD. That was bearish from my side. 074010 was the entry and the target price is 073578, and you can see we have a drop on AUD USD today. It has went down below the entry. That was the right time to trade the pair, and you can see the pair is down. However, still it's in the middle. If it responds bearish, then it can go up to 073578. Overall guys, today the market has kept itself in a range. We have not seen any decent momentum. However, that was fine for trading today. Not a very good day for trading, but it was just okay. Okay, now let's talk about the USD CHF, which has responded as per the signals report. A bullish expectation was provided to the subscribers. 099139 was the entry and the target price was 099452, and you can see that we have a upward trend right from the entry for like 7 to 8 hours. We have gone up on USD CHF. If you have traded this rally, then you must have got a good profit on this trade. Okay, now let's talk about the USD Canadian dollar. So guys, I have supplied the bullish trend in case of USD Canadian dollar. 131358 was the entry, and you can see slightly it has went up. It's in a range. It is going nowhere. However, it has break our entry and it has stayed up for a few hours, and now again it's a bit down. So guys, overall still the signal stays valid, the entry stays valid. If it responds during the US session, then it can go up to 131874, but however the market is very slow at the moment. Okay, now let's talk about Euro JPY. So guys, this is important because I have received the buy signal on Euro JPY. 128863 is the bullish entry as per the signals report, and even if you look at the scalper, it has provided us with a buy signal, and look, the market is slightly going up. So guys, if it responds during the US session, then please note that I'm bullish on Euro JPY. 129555 is the bullish entry from my side, so it can go further up. There are a lot of chances for this pair to go up. Moreover guys, those subscribers who are just new to this trading channel, let me explain about the trading system. You need to take the sell positions when the pair comes into the top red boundary. Like here you can see that the market has went up and then it went into the red boundary, then we have seen a drop, and when the pair comes into the lower red boundary and it moves up, this is how we use the trading system. Moreover, when the scalper points you with a white arrow in the lower red boundary, that it means that you need to buy the pair. When it points the red arrow at the top, it means you need to sell the pair, and this is how we use the trading system. So guys, this is all about the today's analysis. So if you're looking to subscribe to my daily forex signal service, if you want to get the trading system that we have just discussed, if you want to improve your trading technique through my video lessons, or you want to request for Skype one-to-one live coaching, for all this you need to send your inquiries on info@200forextips.com. please like my video, subscribe my YouTube channel, and share the analysis with other traders. Thank you for watching the video.